Bye, big dog. Stuff in my warehouse. Beautiful day. Still going through stuff. This was a buy I did Sunday. Really good buy. I spent a total of like $100, and I made that back in like 20 minutes. So once I started getting rid of stuff, so let's get in what I got. So when I go to Columbus, I always stop at, I call them the brothers, and Tom and his brother. So Kenny wasn't there, but Tom was, and he had all this stuff on the table. And I said, I'm interested in a lot of these trucks, they sell really well in my store. And he says, well, here's a number. I bought them, and then I went through the rest of them, and a lot of them were in the $2 to $5 range, so I bought a lot more. But so let's get into what I got. When the new stuff here, got the North American truck. Kmart, number 37. And these are sealed. It's a Caterpillar truck. Try to put them back as I go. Here's an H&M International Transport. This is a Tonka truck. New in box. Pretty nice. I have a guy that collects mobile stuff at the store, so told me if I ever see trucks, mobile trucks, anything, pick them up, because he'll buy them. He don't care if he has the same one or not. He just likes them. So that was on the table. I bought that. I actually had, not this one, I had a one just like this. It was an 18-wheel hauler, but it was black. And these are remote control, wire control. And you actually just drive it back, forward, left, and right. Kind of neat. So I wanted this only because, only because, like I said, I had one as a kid. So still factory sealed, never been out of the box. Really, really nice. These are the last two ones in the box that I bought, the last two trucks. So you got Mighty Rigs, made by Hot Wheels. That one. And the Shell one. So that was pretty cool. A couple of things I bought that were in box. This has been open. But it's a 12x12 power climber. This little truck's heavy too, boy. I picked it up. It's a little on the heavy side. What's neat though, if you have another one, you can attach it to it and make like a huge long train. So it's really, really cool. My buddy was there. He's like, buy everything, buy it all. Yeah. But I did buy most of it. Fire Chief, Texaco gas pump. These do really well in the store. So that's going to do it as far as the box bigger stuff. So I'm going to get into some of this little stuff that I have. So what happened is I bought a lot of stuff. And after I bought it, I tried to get a spot. I wound up getting my buddy Tom's spot. He said, I'm already done for the day, I'm leaving. So he left a bunch of stuff on the table. I took his table. And was able to, he had a bunch of stuff he left there that was free. So all that stuff over there in the box, most of it, some of it I added things in, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So this was in the free table. He was in the box. I just put it out because it's a tractor trailer. And this is like a micro machine. Pretty cool. You know, all these little tractor trailers. Now I don't know if they're all right as far as what trailers are to the truck, because they don't all say. But I just kind of put them together. Sentinel Brothers. Now, after I bought these and put them on my table, Man, they sold like crazy. Sold like crazy. This is probably where most of my money came from. It was nuts. Goodyear. There's another Goodyear. Long nose. Couple car carriers. Like I said, I don't know if these are the right trucks, but I tried to put together what I could. A couple flatbeds. Some more of these green ones. There's a couple just little loose trucks in there too. I have a couple trailers I've been collecting at the house. I got a little box next 2 or 3. So I'm just going to grab them and throw them. That way I can put them with a truck at least. There's a little mobile truck. This little guy. Get back in more of these bigger ones. It's Pizza Hut. Advantage United. Couple Exxon trucks. And a mobile. Couple Cartwrights. Atlas van lines. When I was in the service to travel a lot, it's kind of funny. A lot of these trucks I used to see on the street. So this is like a motorized kind of truck. It doesn't work all that well. It needs a little oil. But cool, no trailer. This one's cool. No trailer. Got the Super Cruiser, a little bit bigger. The Duracell. Emery. And some of these, like I said, they're not perfect, but for what I paid for them and the fact that they sold really well, it was crazy. So Whiteford, there's Time DC. And that one over there, I don't know what it is, I can barely read it. But anyhow, got that one too. So, this was a nice little buy that I bought. Like I said, I did really well with it. So, let's get into some other stuff. So, we'll get into these over here first. These are also on this table. Marvel Universe. It's got Daredevil. Can't remember his name. Hulk. Doctor Strange. Let's see if they tell them who they are. Nah, don't tell me who they are. This one here is the Avengers. Black Panther, Hawkeye, Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, Ant-Man and Wasp, Black Widow. So I couldn't pass these up. These were on the table, like I said, and he gave me a good price, so I bought them all. Here's the modern X-Men. Using a Rogue. Can't remember his name. Wolverine. Storm. It's that Toad over there. And then it's just the classic X-Men. Kind of cool. Beast Man. I don't know, Mo. And I'd probably do if I really look at them, but I ain't gonna worry about that. So this stuff here was the free stuff that got left on the table. He's like, man, just take this stuff. So I got this Lego Elves play mat. You would lay it out, and then of course you could build your Lego sets on these. It's kind of neat. These are some stuffed animals that were left there. A couple Little Mermaid things. This whale, Disney exclusive. Now some of these things here were from different people. I got from a buddy. It's missing the roller piece. But a lot of these were left on the table, the freebie table. These are metal figures, 4 of them. Troll. That's all legs. This guy. Power Rangers. Is that Pokemon? Yeah. Couple different ones. They're cool. I didn't know they were in there. Bugs Bunny. Sylvester. 3-headed dog from Harry Potter. Venom. Sandman. It's a Griffin. I think it's Harry Potter too. Star Wars. Foot Soldier. That's cool. It's a attack pack. These little dinosaur things, skeleton people, I thought were pretty cool. The skeleton. The Babs. And Taz. Olive oil. It's kind of cool. We'll look that up. So that's going to do it on this video. Rate, subscribe, hit that like button. Till the next one. Big Dog's out. Everybody be safe.